Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Lucky Block Battles with your boy Sylv and Emerald56. I would just like to address something before we start this episode. I am fully aware that my mic is not the loudest and I am trying to fix this issue. So if you can't hear me as well as you did in the other episodes, I am extremely sorry for that. You may want to turn up your volume, but just a friendly reminder to turn it down when you're done so other videos don't hurt your ears. Just letting you know that. Anyway, Emerald is staring down for a reason because today I was the one in charge of designing the map. Emerald, you
Yeah.
can look up now.
Well, hello, people. It is I, Emerald56, and today we are going to see what Sylv has done to the arena this round.
Well, it wasn't just the arena. I added something a little bit more special than just adding the arena. So you can
Alright,
you can look up now.
alright, guys. I have not seen this, but this will be a surprise for me. So, three, two, one, go. Hello.
Hello. It's not up here. It's
Oh,
down there.
it's down there. Oh, okay. Let's see it.
So as you can tell, a little place here was taken over by the Summer Skeleton, as I call him. Hello, I'm the
A
Summer
summer.
Skeleton. Enjoy my trades I have to offer. He'll be around for the entire summer, so yeah,
Yay.
that's pretty nice. He's got some trades that we'll go over in a couple of minutes, but not right now because we have to get our items, Emerald.
Oh, okay.
Now, of course, we have our beds here. Let's just make sure we're spawned on them correctly. Alright.
Yeah,
Now,
okay.
in the chest, we have a pickaxe. I believe you have the jade pickaxe, correct?
Yep.
Alright, yeah. I have the torlamite. I think that's how you say. No, that's not even how you say. Tourmaline, yeah. We also get 64 hot dogs, a crafting table, 8, no, not 8, 5 very lucky blocks, and 5 very unlucky blocks. And in bonus trades today, I get another unlucky block with 4 unlucky potions, while you get lucky stuff, because you lost, and I won, so yeah,
Yay,
fair.
baby.
Alright, so I added something new also. Down here, this is going to be the banned list items. Basically, BTL, you know that guy that mysteriously appeared. He puts
Oh, the
this board
VLT
up.
sandwich?
Yeah, the BTL sandwich. Sure, I
Yeah.
guess. But he puts banned list. So, he put hero items excluding potions. We are allowed to use potions, but anything else is banned. Helmets are also allowed. Not allowed, sorry. Wait, dude, look, the door. The door. It's opened. What?
Oh my gosh, what is
Oh,
this?
come on, you gotta be kidding me. Soon, my friends, don't worry. What is this guy hiding?
I have no idea.
That
I
guy's
have
weird.
no idea.
Anyway, I think we can move on to the trades for today. Now,
Alright.
oh, I forgot to remove that anvil. Anywho,
Oops.
so, today, if you get hero helmets, they're worth 2 times the amount of diamonds.
Oh,
That's
dang.
pretty cool. And of course, you got the diamonds in there. Normal stuff, except 20 diamonds for helmets. And the weapon slash armor trade, we have Beacon for Fluffy's sword, sharpness 5, fire aspect 2. Every weapon here, I believe, besides a couple, has fire aspect. This is a fire related battle. The
Oh,
next
dang.
one for another star is the magical flame, sharpness 5, fire aspect 2, and knockback 2. And for a dragon egg, the flaming sand, sharpness 5, fire aspect 2. For 5 emeralds, you can't get a helmet today, so yeah, there's nothing there.
No, no helmet today, guys.
It's just a
Sorry, no
vending
helmet.
barrier that says not being sold today. For 10 emeralds, you get a swim shirt, fire protection 2, unbreaking 3. You are going to need the fire protection stuff, like I'm telling
Alright.
you. Swim shorts, fire protection 3, and unbreaking 2. For the, oh my gosh, I forgot to name this, flippers. They totally weren't citron boots. Anyway, flippers, protection 4, depth strider 3, and unbreaking 3. You are going to need these, probably, because it's the only armor with protection. Unless you can find
Oh,
a
gosh.
protection book, but then, yeah. And for
All
5
right.
Eyes of Ender, you get the wrestling chair. I'm not even sure if I spelled that correctly, so if you guys want to correct me in the comments, go ahead. I am not the greatest at spelling things, so... And for 5 Eyes of Ender, nothing. Anyway.
Rip.
5 diamonds, we get golden apple. 8, enchanted. 10, we get the super energy drink. 4 emeralds, we get 16 vanilla ice creams. Ice creams, like, I guess you could pronounce it like that. 2 for a stealthy energy drink. 2 for a strength potion. 2 for regeneration. 5 for an instant damage lingering potion. 4 for an instant damaging tool potion. And of course we have our exchanges for different ingots and stuff, very useful. Everyone knows those, they're useful. And then of course we have all the cool traits from last episode. Diamond, horse armor, and gold for beacons and nether stars, along with blocks just in case you didn't get a weapon. And lucky stuff you can trade for. Now, this is where I want to get in. This is where it gets interesting because the summer trader is here, and he turned this whole area into like a beach.
Oh.
Swimming, wee.
Nice.
Anyway,
I'm underwater.
Anyway, alright, so for 5 diamonds you get 1 summer token. Now, this is a different item because it requires you to get this armor and stuff. For 2 summer tokens you get the sharp shard, sharpness 5. A basic weapon just in case you don't get any weapons. 3 summer tokens for the cooler. 5 sharpness 5, knockback 2, and frostwalker 2. The frostwalker does nothing in this case, so it's just there. And for 5, you get the extra flaming sand, which is almost equivalent. It's actually better than the flaming sand, but it will stay around. Sharpness 5 flame, which flame again does nothing. Knockback 2 and fire aspect 2. For 10 summer tokens, you get the flaming summer sword, 5 sharpness and 2 fire aspect. That would have been the flaming summer helmet, but as you know, there's no helmets today, so
No helmet at all.
12, you get the chest plate. 7, you get the leggings, and 5, you get the boots.
Yep.
Do you understand the rules for today's battle?
Yes, sir. Yes, I do.
Alright, we're gonna do this, guys. Make sure to go check out Emerald's channel. He makes great content, all sorts of different things. Minecraft, a whole bunch of stuff.
I do
Just
stuff.
just check out his channel. Anyway, guys.
Yep.
On with today's
Right.
video. Alright, I'm gonna start off by eating a hot dog.
Yeah, I do stuff.
We're gonna start off this video by eating a hot dog, and we're gonna... I think I'm gonna go over here. Yeah. Wait, what's this? Winner lucky block. Don't touch it till the end of the vid. I didn't put that there, so I think that was supposed to be last episode.
Maybe.
Odd.
I remember that.
I guess we can do that today.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh, yay. 5. I think that's like 5 diamonds. I could be wrong. Yay, hero's potion. I can actually use that. Jeez, I'm only getting hero stuff. Chill. Okay.
Hero X,
Hero
hero
potions.
several. Okay.
You can't have 2 hero potions though, which sucks. So, which
I
one's
know.
better? Fire resistance, regeneration.
I have no idea.
strength,
I have no idea.
Ooh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay.
Got ender chest.
I guess no.
I got that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Yes, I got the beacon and the ender. Oh, I got the beacon. Oh, I got the beacon and the nerf star, I believe. Let's go.
Leather
Rabbits.
stuff.
A
A sponge.
I'll take them. A sponge.
Uh,
Okay. Sponge.
Now let's open these.
Oh.
Hopefully I don't explode.
Let's hope it doesn't explode.
Nope. I got TNT pieces instead.
Okay, good.
Alright.
Invisible. Oh, he's dead. Whatever.
Gosh darn it!
Emerald
I
dead.
blew up.
Rip Emerald, you will be missed. Oh no,
Oh.
charge creeper! Charge creeper! Are you friendly? Oh my gosh, it's a friendly charge creeper. Nope, never mind.
No, no, it's not friendly,
You
Sil.
tricked
It's
me.
not friendly.
He was being friendly. He wasn't blowing up when I got near him.
Gosh.
Okay, I killed him.
Three. Next one.
Okay, flowers.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
Oh shoot.
oh, oh, hi, Bob. How are you doing?
Oh, lucky stuff.
Alright.
Good thing the lucky stuff wasn't banned today. Oh, lucky sword. Sick. What? Wait,
Lucky stuff
like
is now banned for today.
Hold up, is there like a glitched lucky block here or something?
Saddle. I don't know. I don't know.
Hold up, I think there is. Give me a sec.
Ow.
I think there is.
Thanks for the diamond.
I'll wear this for now. I don't know what's going on over there. I think it's a glitched lucky block. Am I seriously almost done with my lucky blocks? Wow. Talk about speedrunning.
Yep.
Hero villager, I really don't want to trade with you. Oh,
Yep, we be speedrunning this. Oh my gosh. Oh no, 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 no.
What is going on over there?
Gosh darn it.
I'm having the most peaceful game, and what? Seriously, this pickaxe can't break? Give me a sec, I have to give myself a lapis block. What?
Rip.
Nope, never mind, it was in my inventory. Let me throw that out then. Oh, no, that's TNT. And there goes part of the land. Just blow up already. Thank you.
Don't need help.
Okay,
Hay bales.
pumpkins. Alright, pumpkins. I mean, I don't want them, but hey, they're cool. And this. Wait, hold up. Dispensers. I can make more lucky blocks of these if I can pick them up. Yes.
Hero villager. Don't need you.
Ooh, no, droppers. Never mind, not dispensers.
Hay bales. And this. I got a sword.
Okay,
A hero
now
sword.
I have to unopen all my unlucky blocks. Okay, a clock. You're wasting your time, thank you. I already knew that.
Yay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The best way to
give me
die
something
in this
good.
game, blowing up. It's so entertaining.
Yeah, very entertaining.
Books
got
and
a block
bookshelves.
of lapis.
See, if that was in survival, that would be probably the most helpful thing ever.
Yep. Oh, we got some more potions, people.
Linda,
Got some more potions.
Laura, Lavender, Linda, Lilia, I don't know, Loretta, Lucy, another Laura. What?
What?
There's just a whole bunch of llamas named things. Okay, come on. This is a very unlucky block. This is not going to be lucky. I don't want to pull that lever. I'm not pulling that lever. I have to pull that lever, don't I? I'm going to. Oh,
as we
say
go,
goodbye
I
to the
still end up
land. Yep, I knew it. Well, fix the land.
I just saw that. I just saw that.
Huge. Big. Oh, Emerald, what's up? I just finished my lucky. Oh wait, I still have lucky potions.
Hello.
Hey, Emerald. 100 luck. Negative. Ah, baby slime.
Oh, cute.
It's not gonna kill you.
Ooh, there's some eyes of Ender in here. Ow! What the heck?
Whoops.
What the heck was that, man?
The lag again.
There's some nether stars in there.
Oh. Here, would you like more unlucky stuff?
No, I'm out of here.
No. Get back here. You can't escape me. I'm inevitable.
What the heck?
Alright, we'll stop.
Okay.
Eternal slag is being a real pain right now. Oh, yeah, stay away from that. It's working on too many mods. I mean, I have a lot of mods to work with here, so. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this all down at once. Hopefully I get something. Ooh, XP, I'll take it. cookies and sugar. I mean, I guess you
Ooh,
can
we
say
got some
that.
helmets.
Wait, no, a hero potion. I need that. I need that. Pick it up. Pick it up. Thank you.
And it looks like I'm done with my stuff,
Same here.
surprisingly.
Ironic. That was quick. I should
Yeah,
probably put more lucky blocks in there.
that was a very quick game.
I should probably put more lucky
GG.
blocks in. Anywho. You know what? Hold up. Let me go into creative real quick. I'm gonna make a junk chest real quick. Well, junk chests. So we can put stuff that we don't need in there. Actually, didn't I have junk barrels? Yeah, there's junk barrels there. But those won't be deleted. I guess. I don't know. Whatever. Sponge? Does Sponge get you something or no? Oh, it does. Sick.
Alright. With all that being said, I guess it's time for our trading.
Yeah, it is. Alright, guys. We're back. We are here at the arena. Now, the arena has been blocked off for reasons. But, no, stay over there. Stay over there. Gotta go back. I'm gonna do it a different way. So I'm gonna open it up from this side. But you have to stay over there. Because I'm gonna open it up from the outside in. Alright?
Alright.
Sound fair?
Still here. Still here. I'll wait.
Alright, let's do this, guys. Alright, today's theming, if you haven't guessed, is beach. I have changed the Obsidian Arena into a beach.
Oh, dang.
It's a basic fighting beach, and the reason why flippers are needed is because, well, swim. Now, of course, I gave your pedestal a corner of rock, and my area is a mountain.
Of course it is.
Now, there's no real twist with this arena. It's just water, land, and sometimes air. So, yeah. Let's do this.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh! I hit him with the potions!
Oh, what the heck was that?
Oh, shoot!
Oh my gosh, what in the world? Get me out of this.
Okay, I'll help you, buddy.
How is this?
I
Oh, no, you
damaged
don't.
both.
Ow.
Ow!
Ow.
Shoot! Let me in the water! Let me in the water! Oh no!
Come on, take you down. Come on, come on.
Ow! See what I mean by you need these weapons?
Gosh, you're so powerful.
I don't even know. This weapon's good. Oh shoot, I'm dying.
No.
No! I have to be invisible for this to work. With this potion,
No.
it doesn't even work. Hold
No.
on. Eat. Okay. Oh, it's gonna.
Come on. Just take you out already.
See, if you had that full set of armor, you could avoid fire permanently in this battle. Yes! I beat him, let's go. Alright, that's round 1 goes to me. Alright,
Darn.
guys.
Darn. Well,
Alright.
you got lucky. You got lucky. You got lucky.
Alright, now is your time to do slash effect clear at all. So that's why you have to be careful when using your potions and stuff. You don't know when you're actually gonna lose them. Anyway. Alright. 3, 2, 1, fight! Oh, jeez!
Whoa!
See, that's why the arena's made out of obsidian, kids.
Yup.
Fine, you want to battle with the flame?
That's what I'm trying
Come on,
to
give me
do.
your power! Yes!
Ugh.
Rocks. Blocks of rocks. Blocks of rocks. Get out of my way, skeleton. Ooh. Come on, something.
Oh!
Wait!
You're kidding!
It was blown up. No! That was your kill! That was your kill! Oh! That counted as his! Oh no!
Boy!
Oh,
Boy!
that sucks! Well, I don't know what to say here because I blew myself up, but technically, Emerald killed me. According to this, so
Oh my
unfortunately,
gosh.
guys, I did lose one life. Oh my gosh, the beach is. Look at this, it's just destroyed.
You destroyed the area.
I mean, they
Why
let us
would
follow the
you?
part of the beach. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, fight. There's no escape. Okay, we're not letting that one count. Okay, we're
That
not.
one was-
That doesn't count.
That was...
Okay. From this point on, if you get killed by a TNT from the bow, it doesn't count. Because
Yep.
that thing is instant. Like I said, you don't need helmets for this. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, go.
Get over here.
No.
I'll burn you.
So it's still 1-1. Now that the beach has went into high tide. Get it?
Out of the water.
No, you went out of the water. Fluffy, I'm doing
No.
this for you. I got the fluffy
No.
sword.
Come on, come on. Come on. Ah! Oh, ow.
Oh! Okay, that doesn't count. Again. Alright.
Dang.
Alright, for round 2, we're gonna do a sudden death match. For this round, we're doing a sudden death match to see who gets 2 lives taken out.
Alright.
So that means all armor goes off. Actually, flippers are allowed. Flippers are allowed. Actually, no, because they have protection for, swim shirt. Swim shirt only.
Three.
Okay, I may actually have to ban Lucky Bow for this round if it keeps killing us like that. Alright. Just blew us up again.
Okay, so this arena is
Let me
blowing us
kill all
up.
these mobs.
And... Are you okay there, bud? Are
No,
you
low on
okay?
health. I'm actually low on health. I'm probably gonna get, yeah, I was gonna get shot by a skeleton. Because I only have a swim shirt. Alright, go back to your pedestal, Alright, sudden death for 2 lives. Whoever gets this has 1 life. Still. Alright, well, has 1 life, yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait!
Meteorite! Ah! Wait, you're supposed to have a swim shirt on.
Oops.
Hold on, get in the water and heal yourself. Oh my gosh. Technical difficulties. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, you have flippers
Wait.
on. Why do you have flippers on? You're not supposed to have flippers on.
3.
Alright. Now we can do this. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come get me, fool! Get me! Come get me! I'm low on health, but I can do this!
Oh, come on.
Oi!
Oh,
Oi!
can we just count that?
Again! Again!
Oh my gosh. Can we just count that as a kill?
Can,
No,
can
no.
we ban that bow, please?
Yeah, we're gonna knock out the bow for this round. Alright. Alright, let's continue this. This is gonna be the longest fight. It's only been 2 episodes, but still. Alright, go. Just go. Why does he keep pulling out the TNT? Magical flames. Take
No!
one.
Come on!
Pickaxe. Shoot, I'm dying. No. Emerald, stab it! Emerald.
Pinbreaker skills! Pinbreaker skills! Come on, come on.
I'm not even
Come
wearing
on,
his
come on,
swim
come on,
trunks,
come
so
on,
I'll let him
come
wear
on.
the swim trunks because his weapon's good. So, oh my, GG. Alright,
GG.
so this bow is not knocked out of there. Alright,
GG.
everything is allowed back again except the bow, because the bow's kind of broken, you know. Alright, Emerald, you have your chance to redeem yourself, man.
Okay, okay.
But for this round, I will not be using the fluffy sword. Sorry, Fluff. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, go. Hero potion. Enchanted golden apple. I am invincible.
Ow. How do I stop this guy?
There is no stopping me. Too powerful.
I can tell that.
So much health. Ah! Yay!
Well, we know the clear winner of today's game.
And today's winner is me. GG,
Again.
Emerald. Don't
GG.
worry. Okay. But don't worry, Emerald, because the more you lose, the better the rewards you get. And the more you win, the worse the rewards you get in the next episode.
Oh gosh.
So I'm about to get some unlucky stuff next episode. But
Well,
that was pretty good. I liked that round. That was fun. And I hope you all enjoyed. Maybe that BTL guy will finally show up next episode. Or at least show his trades.
maybe.
Huh. Makes you wonder, what does BTL stand for?
BLT sandwich?
I don't know, like what it stands for, as in, like, what do the letters mean? No, letters.
B T L.
Hmm.
BLT sandwich. I'm sorry, that's the only thing I recognize it with.
I guess we won't be able to figure out right now. But in the next episode, hopefully we will. Anyway, guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go subscribe to Emerald56 and subscribe to me. Shameless plug.
Yep.
And we see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.